Guys, today I'm going to show you how to change About Me on Discord mobile. So let's get started. It's very quick and simple. Let's first open our Discord app in our phone right here. Let's tap on our Discord app, and from here what you want to do is simply tap on the three horizontal bars on the top left of your screen, and after that you will be prompted right here, and the next thing that you want to do is tap on your profile picture icon right here on the bottom right of your screen, and from here you want to tap on profiles, and here you can see the display name right here. You can also change your display name right here, and of course the About Me right here. This is what we want to change, and let's say we want to change this into I am a gamer right there, and let's say we want to add some emoticons right there. Right here I want to add this one, this game emoticons right there, the controller emoticons, so that it could look a bit more cool. And after that you can now hit on save on the top right of your screen. Tap on save right there, and after that your bio or About Me has been successfully updated or changed, and that's it.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.